to my channel. I am Iamdevonanicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have a fall 2023 mystery bundle from FFF. This is how it arrived in this box here. It cost $39.99. So we're going to get right into unbundling what was in this mystery bundle. So I always pick these up. I think they're fun. You get some really good stuff, especially as you get closer to the holidays and you're looking for holiday gifts for people. They have some great stuff in here. So we're going to get right into this box and see what's in here. And let's do it this way. Okay, so this is our mystery bundle. So let's put that there. And this is what we got here for the mystery bundle. And for you guys that care what code it is, it's right down on the bottom here. So let's get into this thing and see what's in here. So I'll say the big one for last. Let's start out with this one. So we have an Ace Beauté product in here, and I like Ace Beauté. This is a lip gloss by Ace Beauté, and it's All That is the name of the color of the lip gloss. Let's take it out and take a look at it. I'm used to their eyeshadow palettes. I don't think I've ever tried any of their lip products. Ooh, look how it comes. Fancy schmancy. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Oh, wow. And this is the color, All That lip gloss. How you open this thing? Hold on. Oh, you twist it. Twist it. So this is the color here. Nice. I like that. This is really cute. I love how this comes. That is so cute. So cute. I like that. So we're starting off with a Perfect Pout lip gloss, and the color again is All That. So that's the first item in here. I don't know what that costs. I'm gonna have to look that up. That's nice though. I like how the packaging is. And let's see what else is in here. So we got a BKR product, and I'm guessing this is a water bottle, because yeah, it looks like a water bottle. Let's take it out of here. And they must have a lot of these, because I think this is the second one I unboxed this year, because I had one, a bigger one, the last time, remember guys, in my other bundles. So this is a water bottle that we have here, guys. And I actually have one that looks like this already from a prior box where they was a part of our selections. So I'll probably give this away as a gift to someone. So this is the water bottle. This is a glass water bottle, which I think is good anyway. So it says it's a 16-ouncer. So not bad. Not bad. Great. Like I said, it's gift giving season. Somebody gonna get this because it's out of here. But really comes in handy. I like the glass ones. And it has the silicone sleeve on it, so I think that's great too. So yeah, that's what this is. So let's check out the next thing in there. Let's see what else is in here. I got two more things, so let's go with this one. Okay, this looks like some sort of scarf. It is a medium gray scarf from Halston. And is it silk? What is this? It looks like it's silk or something. It is, does not say. Can we get in here somewhere? Okay, let me open it up so I can show you guys. Now, I'm not much of a scarf person, me personally, so yeah, this is probably not the best thing for me, because I don't really do scarves. But I just wanted to take it out and kind of show it to you guys. So this is the scarf. Oh, you know what? I could use this on the handles of one of my handbags. That's a good way to utilize this. Yes. So this is 100% polyester. So there is no silk, just polyester. And if you like scarves, I think this is nice. So that's what's in that one. So let's see what's in the last one, the big one. So guys, the last thing in here is pretty big. This is definitely a handbag. It has to be. Let's see, Bahuga. Okay. It says it is a black handbag. It's a small tote is what it's being called. On the outside, let's see. Ready? Dun, dun, dun. This is our tote here that we have. Who is this by? Let's see. And let's get the handles out. They got it stuffed with paper, so these are the handles. So this is how the tote bag looks. And this is how it looks on the other side. Pretty much identical. And this is by Lucky Brand, is the brand name that's on the plate at the bottom here. So a tote bag. Now I may not be that fond of the actual tote bag here, because I don't do all this weave kind of print. That just ain't me. But I think it's nice to give someone else as a gift. So this is a leather bag, or what is this? It doesn't even say. No, it doesn't say. But Lucky Brand is the one who made this bag. And let's take some of this out so I can show you the inside. Okay. So it does have a pocket back here for you to put stuff in right here. If I can show it to you. Yeah. So here's the pocket. And yeah, it's just a pocket in here. And this is how the bag looks with no stuffing in it. So, I mean, you could kind of see right in the bag. I would say this is good for vacation, though. If you're going on the beach or something, or maybe you need to take something light, or something to just throw in while you're on vacation, I think that would work. So that was the last item, guys. So in review, we have our tote here by Lucky Brand. We got the All That lip gloss by Ace Beauté. We have the BKR glass water bottle. And we have the scarf here by Halston in our bundle. So the bundle again was $39.99. I would say it wasn't bad. The tote bag, I don't think I've ever received a bag quite like this from FabFitFun. So it looks like it's pretty decent quality on this here. I'm familiar with Lucky Brand. But yeah, I think this is nice. I would say more of a vacation bag, definitely, to take with you. Undescriptive vacation bag. But yeah. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unbundling of this mystery bundle from FabFitFun. If you did, I have other videos. If you want to go check some of the other unbundles that I've done, check those out. I always pick these up every quarter when they offer the different bundles, just to show you guys what's in them and pick up some really good stuff. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love showing everyone what I'm picking up in my subscription boxes. If that's something you're into, then this is the channel for you. Please hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell, and it'll let you know when I post next. But until my next video, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!